Okay, second grade, we're ready to talk about counting to 1,000. You can start here by seeing that there are $10 bills in your packet. What those are used for is just to see the backs of them, that there's 100 pennies in every dollar. So if you count by 100s 10 times, you get to the number 1,000. So let's just count them together. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So let's review here. If we have 10 sticks, we have 100, don't we? So let's think about these questions. What do we use to show if we have just one? We show just a circle. What happens if we have 10 circles? It changes into a 10. A 10 stick is what we call it. And what happens when we have 10 sticks? Well, then we have 100. So the square shows 100. And the reason is because it's 10 sticks, just like they show right there. 10 sticks makes a dollar bill, or it makes 100. So now from here, that was just a review, but we are going to turn to page 311 in your packet, and I'm going to go through with you a few of these problems so that we can see how we write numbers based on squares, sticks, and circles. And in the first problem, we have one square, we have 3 10 sticks, and 3 circles. So what number would that be? You're right, 100 plus 3 10 sticks would be 30 plus 3 circles. So what does that equal? 133. So that's the answer for number 1. Let's go ahead and do number 2 together. Number 2 shows 100 square. Oh, what do I see here? I see 5 and then a space. Why do we make a space there? That's right, because that's a 5 group right there. And so we always put a space after 5 groups. And then we have 2 more. So 5 and 2 is 7. 7 10 sticks. And then we have another 5 group. Of circles. And then we have 3 more. So a 5 group of 10 of circles and 3 more would be 8. So all together, what is this? 178. And so we write that just like this, 178. So that's how we write numbers that get bigger than 100. We're going to move on to the next page, 312. I know that you can do the next 2 on page 311 on your own, so we're going to go ahead and skip those right now because I know you can do those on your own. And skip to page 312 now, and we are going to look at we're going to skip down to let's start at number 5. Now this time we have more than one square. We've always been used to just having one square, but this time we have more than one square. So we have 2 squares, 4 10 sticks, and 4 circles. What number would that be if we have 2 squares, 4 10 sticks, and 4 circles? That's right, we have 200 plus 40 plus 4. So what is 200 plus 40 plus 4? You say it just like you read it. 244, and we write it just like this. 244 is the answer for number 5. Did you get that? Very good. We're going to skip to number 7 now. Number 7, I know you can do number 6 on your own, but number 7 now shows the opposite, where you see the number 382, and we have to draw it now. I think this is a little easier because all we have to do is draw how many squares? You got it, 3. How many sticks? Yep, 8. And how many circles? 2 to make the number 380. Oh, let me do that again. And I'm leaving a space. Why am I doing that? Because you have 5 and 3 is 8. Put a space right there. And then 2 circles. So you have 382, and that shows the number 382. So boys and girls, you're going to be practicing making numbers that are bigger than 100 in the next couple days. And we know how to count because we've been practicing this, haven't we? All right, great job.